Hello everyone, welcome back to the world. So this is a quick short update video on commodities, doing my own commodity analysis, what this week has to offer. And right now the prices of gold and silver are skyrocketing. So will it continue to pump or will it dump? I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Starting off with the crude oil's daily time frame chart over here, and if you have watched my previous commodity video, I already told you that I'm still expecting a dump in the prices of crude oil because to be quite honest, if I zoom out, you can see the prices of crude oil is in a downtrend, and basically I'm expecting a new lower low to be made over here. And if you want to know the full analysis, then you can watch my previous videos on commodity. But overall I am expecting a dump from here in the prices of crude oil, but again, let's see what happens. Currently it is in middle of nowhere, not near my important resistance zone and not near its recent support, so it is better for me to not take any trade. I'm personally not taking any trade at all right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for crude. I'm just waiting right now and just watching the charts, seeing what the price of crude has to offer. And there are many high chances this can also turn out to be a new starting of an uptrend. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and like this. Yes, it is possible, but again, I'm waiting right now. I'm not taking any trade, and let's just see what the price has to offer. If it comes near my important support zone or resistance zone, then only I'll take a trade. But personally, I'm not taking any trade at all, and obviously no financial advice, and I'm just sharing my own personal analysis and my personal trades. Don't copy trade me, learn trading and do it on your own. Alright, talking about silver, so I'm on the silver's daily time frame chart, and after a huge parabolic upside rally, as you can see over here, the prices of silver right now, it did dump a little bit, as you can clearly see over here, but it is just pumping again towards the upside. And to be quite honest, I cannot decipher it, like how it is pumping still. But again, right now, if I just squeeze it, you can see the prices of silver is pumping literally in a straight line parabolically, and this shows you that the prices of silver right now are very overbought. And obviously I'm not taking any long trade over here. I'm also not taking any short trade because gold and silver are very uncertain right now, and they can pump from anywhere and can dump at any point of time. So also taking a short position at its all-time high is very risky because there is no resistance at all to take a trade. So it is better for me to avoid taking any trade right now in gold and silver. Alright, talking about gold in the end, and same is with gold as well. Gold's price is also coming near its all-time high, again pumping towards the upside. The demand for silver is again rising incessantly for the past couple of months, and well, you can see obviously why it is rising, because of the prices of silver that is rising as well. And if I talk about gold, see, gold right now is again also very overbought right now, because if I zoom out, you can see huge pump in the prices of gold, and after that we have seen a sideways market, and this is also a kind of a bullish pattern. This also means that the market is consolidating, and there are many high chances it can turn out to be a bullish rally. And exactly the same thing happened. After that we have seen a huge bullish rally towards the upside. And right now also the prices of gold are not dumping towards the downside, they are just sideways again like this over here. And to be quite honest, this is a very, I would say, absurd pattern, because according to price action, the prices of gold and silver has to dump from here because they are already overbought. But rather than dumping, it is just going sideways for a couple of weeks and then again pumping towards the upside. And obviously this will not continue forever, and there will be a huge dump in the prices of gold and silver soon. Again, entering in a short position over here, and personally I'm not taking any trade over here because there is only one recently made resistance from all-time high, and taking a trade over here is very risky. You have already seen what happened in silver, and going again long over here is also very risky. Basically gold and silver are near its all-time high, and it is guys, most of the times it is better to not take any trade in assets that are near its all-time high or all-time low, because they can rally as much as possible, and because obviously they are only driven from the greed and fear and all the emotions and hype and impulsive move from the retailers. So yeah, that's why I'm personally not taking any trade. And talking about this week and the next coming weeks, I'm still expecting the prices of gold and silver to dump from here, because the market already, as I said, is overbought, and it has to get a correction. The market needs a correction. So rather than a sideways market or a small dump, I'm expecting a good amount of correction. I mean, at least 50% of the whole rally, approximately till over here. I'm expecting a dump in the prices of gold and silver, but let's see how it ends up, because the prices of gold and silver for the past few months are very uncertain and driven more from fundamental analysis rather than technical analysis. So yeah, I hope you already saw the main technical analysis behind gold, silver and crude oil over here. For crude, I'm expecting a dump in the price, but again, anything can happen, and I'm not taking any trade. I'm just right now watching the charts, and I will not take any trade until and unless I find a good setup. And for gold and silver, I'm definitely not touching it at all, not trading right now, because it is near its all-time high. I'm expecting a major correction in the prices of gold and silver first. Maybe then I'll take a long trade if my setup goes well, but to be quite honest, I'm not taking any trade in neither of these three assets right now, or commodities. And yeah, what do you guys think? Comment down below, and only learn from these trades. Don't copy trade me or don't get any influence, just learn from me. In the end, you have to do trading on your own, so rather than depending on someone, it's better to develop your trading skills, enhance and make your own path in this journey. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.